My favorite part about the job is meeting new customers, going out and doing a good job and keeping the customer running and getting that feedback from my peers, saying, hey, great job. And it's just very rewarding work if you come in and apply yourself. The sky's the limit at Carter Machinery. I'm Lee Shelton, MTA, E-Lube. Been at Carter Machinery almost 31 years. As an E-Lube tech, when you come in, you get your parts together, get all your paperwork together, then you call your customer, let them know you're coming. You get to the machine, you set up your safety stuff, you do the service, do a final walk-around inspection, make sure you didn't leave anything, any damage, no leaks. Let the customer know that you're done, and it might be multiple job sites. So then you're leaving from there, and you got to manage your time wisely to go to the second job site. And then once you get back to the shop, you want to clean the truck up, dump your oils, fill your oils, and set yourself up for success for the next day. If you're hired as an E-Lube tech, we'll put you through some classroom training, safety, and once you finished all your paperwork and get your certifications to come out to the field, one of us will take you out and work with you on your safety, work with you on operating machines, teach you how to call a customer, stay in contact with the customer, get your parts together, get your truck together, stay organized, and stay committed to the job. First and foremost is have a good work ethic. We want you to have some kind of mechanical background. We need go-getters, we need ethical people. It's an excellent career. Carter's top of the line. There's nobody above Carter. I mean, not just because I work for Carter. I've worked on every brand of machine out there. Caterpillar's top of the line. Carter backs everything up. They cater to their customers. That's why we've been in business for 100 years. Now let's get to work.